the first rule and the most important rule, you have to start make the content. And you have to make lots of content. And you have to make your own content. So you have to find the story what you want to tell. That is the whole idea of the social media. Is just a media. It's like I talking to you. So I have to have some idea that you liked or disliked, some good idea, and then you have to start telling that idea, multiple times, every day, multiple times. That is the rule number one. And second rule is the same.
That's easy.
Yeah, there is no other rules. You have to start making the content.
Okay, if you think about yourself and your company, how much is it because of you, your personality, that there has been success and you have done what you have done?
Like my wife say, I'm not pretty smart guy. So I have the ideas and I believe those ideas. But like I say, I don't have education. I need like lots of people around me, and those have to make all the hard work. Because in one company, like small company or even one bigger company, there is only one guy with these crazy ideas, and then they have these real workers. They have to make all the real work. So you have to believe it's something what I own, but we have lots of people and they believe same things sometimes, some days.